Hi all, welcome back to the session. In previous session we completed an exercise 11.4 up to 6 problems. And next one is 7th problem. That is prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is, by using this we have to prove this is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is sin A plus given term is sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Once you see this is in the form of what? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is, first A square means sin square A plus B square, that is cosecant square A plus 2AB. 2 into sin A into cosecant A. 2 into sin A into cosec A plus, and here it is what? Cos A plus secant A whole square. That is, again it is in the form A plus B whole square. That is A square. That is cos square A plus next B square. That is secant square A plus 2AB. That is 2 into cos A into secant A. 2 into cos A into secant A. Now write this as, here once you see this is sin square A and this is what? Cos square A. Write these two one side, that is sin square A plus cos square A. And here it is what? Cosecant square A. Cosecant square A, and here it is what? Secant square A. That is plus secant square A plus this is what? 2 sin A cosec A. 2 sin A cosec A. Here it is plus 2 cos A secant A. 2 cos A secant A. Here see, sin square A plus cos square A. This is the trigonometric identity. This value becomes what? 1. Up to here it is 1. The next one is what? Cosecant square A. What is the trigonometric identity related to this one? That is cosecant square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. See here I am writing here. Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. Here we are having what? Cosecant square A. And how you write this cosecant square A is becomes what here? This is cosecant square A is equals to 1. Write this minus cot square A to this side, that is 1 plus cot square A. Now substitute here in this place 1 plus cot square A. And next one is this is secant square A. That is what? Secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. Here we are having secant square A. That is, it is equals to what? 1 plus tan square A. This is 1 plus tan square A. In this secant square A place, write this as 1 plus tan square A. Up to here completed. Now this part, this is 2 sin A. I am writing this is as it is. And this is cosecant A. Sin and cosecant are what? Multiplicative inverses. That is cosecant A I am writing as 1 by sin A. And here also 2 cos A secant A. This is 2 cos A. And here secant A. And cos and secant are what? Multiplicative inverses. That's why secant A I am writing as 1 by cos A. Here see sin A cancelled. Cos A and cos A is also cancelled. Now what are the remaining terms here? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 here. 3 plus, this is what cot square A, and here it is what tan square A. Here it is what plus 2. Only sin A cancel, remaining is here 2. Here also cos A cancel, remaining is here 2. Now it is equals to what? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. See here, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the value of sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. This is equals to what? 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Next, 8th problem. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. For simplifying this one, this is what given value is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here it is what 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is in the form of what? A minus b into a plus b form. That is a minus b into a plus b means what? A square minus b square. First a square, that is this is 1 square minus b square, that is cos theta whole square. Cos theta whole square. And this is what? 1 plus cot square theta. This is what? 1 square means 1 only, and this is cos theta whole square means cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, and this is what? 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Once you observe these two here, this is what? 1 minus cos square theta, and this is 1 plus cot square theta. We are having the trigonometric identities. What are the identities here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here we are having what? 1 minus cos square theta. That is from this identity, sin square theta is equals to what? 1. Write this plus cos square theta to RHS side. Now it is 1 minus cos square theta. That is in this place 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute the value, that is sin square theta. This is sin square theta. Into this is what? 1 plus cot square theta. That is what? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to what? 1. Here we are having what? 1 plus cot square theta. Once you see here, cosecant square theta is equals to 1. Write this minus cot square theta to RHS side. Now it is what? 1 plus cot square theta. That is in this 1 plus cot square theta place, write this as cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta. Now this is what? Sin square theta into, we know that sin and cos are what? Multiplicative inverses. That is cosecant square theta can be written as what? 1 by sin square theta. Here sin square theta gets cancelled. This value becomes what? 1. Next 9th problem is, if secant theta plus tan theta equals to p, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? That is here, first write given that secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. By using this, we have to find out the value of secant theta minus tan theta. Here we are having related to this one trigonometric identity. What is that identity? That is, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. If you observe this one, it is in the form of what? A square minus b square form. That is, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Then how you write this? Secant theta plus tan theta. This is a plus b into a minus b. That is secant theta minus tan theta is equals to what? 1. A plus b into a minus b form. Now here we are having what? Secant theta plus tan theta value is what? P. Now substitute the value here. P into, this is as it is, secant theta minus tan theta only is equals to 1. From this, secant theta minus tan theta is equals to, write this P to RHS side. Now it is changed as what? 1 by P. Because it is here multiple, and if you write this side, it is changed as a division. Now therefore secant theta minus tan theta value becomes what here? 1 by P. Next 10th problem is, if cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. See here we are having what? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Let it be equation 1. And next, related to this, we are having one trigonometric identity. That is what? We know that. What is that identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to what? 1. Now it is in the form of what? A square minus b square form. That is a plus b into a minus b. Write this as cosecant theta plus cot theta into, this is a plus b. Next a minus b. That is cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to what? 1. Already we are having here cosec theta plus cot theta value is k. Now in this place substitute the value is k. This is k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. From this, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to what? Write this k to RHS side. Now it is in comes division part, that is 1 by k. Let it be equation 2. This is 2. From equations 1 and 2 here, from equations 1 and 2, and its first equation is what? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Next second one is what? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to what? 1 by k. Solve these two equations here by adding, that is here I am adding these two. Cosec theta plus cosec theta is equals to what? 2 cosec theta. 2 cosecant theta. Here plus cot theta minus cot theta. These two are cancelled. And RHS part is what? This is k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. From this, 2 cosecant theta is equals to, here LCM is what? K is the LCM. K into k square. This is k square plus this is what? 1. K square plus 1 by k. From this, cosecant theta value is what? Write this 2 also RHS side. Now it is changed as k square plus 1 by 2 into k. That is 2k. This is 2k. Next one is, here this is cosecant theta value. From this, what is the sine value? That is sine theta is equals to Already we know that sine and cosecant are the multiplicative inverses. Now write this sine theta is equals to what? 1 by cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta. That is 1 by, here we are having cosec theta value. That is what? K square plus 1 by 2k. 1 by k square plus 1 by 2k. From this sine theta value is what? This is the reciprocal, no? That's why write it as 2k by k square plus 1. This is sine theta value. Already we know that here we have to find out what? Cos theta value we have to find. That is here, what is the trigonometric identity we are having related to sine and cos? That is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here we are having which value? Sine theta value. We have to find out which value? Cos theta value. From this, write it as cos square theta is equals to what? 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta. Now cos square theta is equals to 1 minus, in this sine square theta place, that is sine theta. Substitute this value 2k by k square plus 1. This is what? Whole square. This is only sine theta value. That's why I am taking here whole square. Now it is what? Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus, this is what? 2k whole square. Separate the square here, 2k whole square by, and here denominator is also k square plus 1 whole square. Now here LCM is what? K square plus 1 whole square is the LCM. Now here in the numerator 1 into k square plus 1 whole square, that is k square plus 1 whole square. Here it is what? Minus 2k whole square. Minus 2k whole square. Simplify that. Cos square theta is equals to, this is in the form of what? A plus b whole square form. Write it in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. First k square whole square. Next b square, that is plus 1 whole square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into k square into 1, that is 2k square, minus, this is what? 2k whole square, that is 2k, 2 square into k square, that value becomes what? 4k square, 4k square, and the denominator is as it is k square plus 1 whole square only. Now cos square theta is equals to, here it is k square whole square, write that as k square whole square only, plus 1. Here it is plus 2k square minus 4k square is equals to what? Minus 2k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Now it is equals to what? Once you see here, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, in a place k square and in b place 1. Now write it in the form of a minus b whole square. That is a value is k square and b value is 1. Now it will be changed as what? K square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. That is cos square theta is equals to k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. But we have to find out which value here? Cos theta value. See here I am writing cos theta is equals to, this is cos square theta. If you find out cos theta here, it will become what? Square root here. Right hand side is square root. K square minus 1 whole square by, this is what? K square plus 1 whole square. This is both having square, no? Square and square root are cancelled. Now this becomes what? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. See here. K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. By this we completed exercise 11.4 and trigonometry chapter also.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.